Welcome to the next video in the how-to series for the HX-2 GPS Navigator from Hema. In this video, we'll talk about the app settings on the HX-2. Hi, I'm Ian from Hema Maps, and in this video we'll look at the importance of selecting the correct app settings in the HX-2. It's important to select the correct settings in the HX-2 so you can achieve the best GPS experience possible. The app settings icon can be found in two locations. The first is along the top screen in any map. The second is in the main menu by clicking on the icon in the top left-hand corner and scrolling down to app settings. Once you're in the app settings, you will find four sections. There's General, Off-Road or Adventure Mode, On-Road Mode and Tracking. Press on each of these sections to locate and change the settings as necessary. Let's start with General. Press the down arrow coinciding with General on the right-hand side of the screen. The first setting is Initial Mode. This sets the mode in which the HX-2 will default on startup. You choose whichever suits you. In my case, I leave it on Home, which is the main screen. Next, you have an option to display coordinates as either latitude, longitude, or degrees, minutes and seconds. Turn off or on, depending on your preference. Show Map Status allows you to decide whether you wish to show some basic map functions on the screen or not. This function will also turn off your ability to quick track, and you won't be able to see your speed when in off-road and adventure modes. So my suggestion is you leave it always turned on unless you're an advanced user. Now we come to the icon set setting. You have two options, either the Hema icon default or the Hema X icon set, which are the same as the icons in the Hema cloud. Just choose your selection and press OK. The time format and unit system options are self-explanatory, just choose your preference. And the last general setting is reset application. You would only select this function if you are happy to erase all of your data and settings and be logged out of the Hema cloud. For example, if you were selling your HX-2. Our next settings area is Off-Road and Adventure Mode. In this mode, you can change our icon size to small, medium, large, depending on how you prefer to view them. Experiment to see what works for you. Map scaling. This adjusts map details such as labels, street names and symbols to different sizes according to your visual preferences. Turning on Show Scale Bar provides you with a quick on-screen reference to distance across the screen at your chosen zoom level. This is quite a useful function. Enabling and disabling map clustering will either separate all the points of interest or cluster them together in a localized region. Let's look at Enable Map Tilt. You may prefer to tilt your map slightly rather than look at it from a direct overhead view. Enable Map Rotation. Turn this option on and you can use two fingers on the screen in a twisting motion to orient your map in the preferred direction. Now let's look at the settings for the on-road mode. First we have the day-night mode. Leave this on automatic to allow the HX-2 to change automatically between night and day screens. Select either day or night to remain in any of these modes and change between them manually when necessary. Night mode is designed to change the screen to colours more suited to viewing at night and reducing glare. Route type gives you the option of changing the way the HX-2 calculates a route. The fastest option works on distance as well as speed limits, while the shortest option works on distance only. The rest of the settings are for advanced users, or you can join the Hema University training webinars via the Hema website. This concludes the Hema HX-2 GPS Navigator how-to video series. This series is a very basic overview of the functions of your HX-2. If you'd like more advanced training, you can find us at the Hema University webinars on the Hema Maps website. We are very excited with our new Hema HX-2 GPS and hope that you enjoy using it during your many journeys in the future. Thanks for watching this series. I'm Ian from Hema Maps. See you out there on the tracks.